Every teacher in 2026 is secretly using this AI trick to grade in seconds. It sounds unbelievable, but artificial intelligence is changing classrooms faster than most people realize, and grading papers is only the beginning. Imagine walking into a classroom where every student is learning the same lesson, but not in the same way. In 2026, artificial intelligence is beginning to reshape education, not by replacing teachers, but by changing how learning happens. Instead of giving every student identical worksheets and explanations, AI can help personalize lessons based on each student's pace, strengths, and areas that need improvement. But this isn't just another education trend. It marks one of the biggest changes classrooms have seen since computers first arrived in schools. So how does AI actually work inside a classroom? It can assist teachers by generating quizzes, summarizing complex topics, suggesting lesson plans, and providing instant feedback on assignments. Students can ask questions, receive explanations in different ways, and practice difficult concepts as many times as needed without feeling embarrassed. This means teachers spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time helping students think, discuss, and solve problems together. Yet this creates a surprising challenge. If AI can explain almost any topic in seconds, what becomes the most valuable skill a student can develop? The answer isn't memorizing more facts. Instead, classrooms are placing greater importance on critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and ethical decision-making. AI can provide information, but students still need to judge whether that information is accurate, useful, and responsible. Teachers are also learning new skills. Instead of simply delivering lessons, many are becoming guides who help students use AI wisely, ask better questions, and verify what AI produces. The classroom of 2026 is becoming a partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. One provides speed and information. The other provides curiosity, imagination, empathy, and wisdom. And perhaps that's the most important lesson of all.